Conservation isn't just about protecting what exists today. It's also about raising a generation that understands why nature matters. At RWCA, conservation education takes many forms. One of the most powerful is bringing students in nature itself, helping them experience why protecting the environment matters. Every year, we host thousands of students from across Rwanda to learn about nature at Umusambi Village.
Umusambi Village is a unique outdoor learning space because it brings together wildlife, wetlands, restoration, and education in one space. Here, students don't just learn about nature, they experience it. They connect with it, they explore it, and create memories that shape how they see the world for the years to come.
Igishanga twabonye ko kigaragazwa n'iki? Ibyatsi birebire, ikindi amazi menshi, ikindi n'ibiti bigufi. Sibyo? Ni ukuvuga ngo anga mu gishanga nde wambwira inyamaswa zikunda kubamo. Inyamaswa ziba mu gishanga yego wowe, ibikeri, amafi, inzoka.
At Umusambi Village, students learn through hands-on experiences. They discover the story of endangered Greyhound cranes. They also explore the wetlands and understand why these ecosystems are important to wildlife and people. The students also learn about birds and their important role they play in nature. They also learn about trees and see how even small actions can help to restore the environment. Every activity is designed to inspire a deeper connection with nature.
Twabonye ko umusambi ugira amabara ngahe? Atandatu. Twabonye ku isunzu ryawo hasa gute? Umuhondo wa zahabu, akaba umweru, sibyo? Kaba n'umukara, sibyo? Ibirokoroko bigasa gute? Umutuku.
After visiting Umusambi Village, we hope students live with curiosity, appreciation, and a strong connection with nature. Even small lessons, like understanding why wetlands matter or why cranes need protection, can inspire students to become ambassadors of the environment in their communities.
The first thing which I learned here, it was conservation of animals and the nature, the environment. Learning about this, it makes us kids to know more about the environment and to conserve it, to plant trees, to stop throwing rubbishes in some water bodies, and that also can lead to death of some animals and also leads to diseases to people.
Iyo ufashe umwana ukamwigisha ibijyanye na environment cyangwa ibidukikije, bituma abikurana agakura azi ibyo agomba kwirinda, gutwika, kwirinda kwigira rushimusi, kwirinda ibintu byose byatuma nk'ibyo byo twanavugaga by'imisambi, kuvana imisambi mu ndiri yayo akayizana mu ngo, ntiyabikozwa. Ubwo umwana yazakura abizirikana, bibungabunga, ahubwo yabaye abana bose bo mu gihugu bose babagezaga ahantu nkanga kugira ngo babyibonere, byaba byiza kurushaho.
At RWCA, we believe that when students connect with nature, they grow into people who will protect it. Inspiring one child today can help protect an entire ecosystem tomorrow.